Let's be real for a second. Everyone wants to make money, and fast. Whether it's to pay off debt, quit a soul-sucking job, or finally take that trip to Bali, the idea of earning cash quickly is always tempting. And in 2025, there's one phrase that keeps popping up in every corner of the internet: artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just something tech nerds or sci-fi fans talk about. It's real, it's here, and guess what? It's creating opportunities for, even if you don't know how to code. In this post, I'll break down how you can use AI to make money fast without getting lost in technical jargon or needing a PhD in computer science. Before we get into the how, let's talk about the why. AI is exploding. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, Runway, and dozens of others are making it stupidly easy for regular folks to do stuff that used to require entire teams. You can now generate marketing copy, create stunning art, write code, build websites, analyze data, and even start businesses faster than ever before. This means that if you're creative, resourceful, and willing to learn just a little, you can ride this wave to some serious cash. Freelancing has always been a go-to method for making money fast, but now, AI tools can 10 times your output, meaning you can take on more clients, charge higher rates, or do the same work in way less time. Copywriting with ChatGPT. Write blog posts, emails, or product descriptions. Graphic design with Midjourney or Canva AI. Create logos, social media posts, ads. Voiceovers using 11 Labs or Lovo. Offer voice work for YouTube or TikTok creators. Video editing with Runway. Make promo videos, short ads, or reels quickly. Transcription and summarization with Whisper or ChatGPT. Offer summarized meeting notes or YouTube transcripts. Create a Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer.com profile. Showcase examples using AI to generate a portfolio quickly. Offer discounted first-time services to get reviews fast. Pitch small businesses or creators on Instagram or LinkedIn. $200 to $1,000 or more per week once you get the ball rolling. Digital products are gold. Why? You make them once and sell them over and over. Thanks to AI, you can now create ebooks, planners, online courses, templates, stock photos, and even children's books with almost zero design or writing experience. ChatGPT for content writing and outlines. Canva for visual design. It even has AI now. Midjourney or DALL-E for illustrations. Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip for selling. A 30-day social media planner created with ChatGPT and Canva. A self-care workbook for busy moms with an outline by ChatGPT and visuals via Canva. Motivational quote posters with quotes from ChatGPT and visuals from Midjourney. Use TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Pinterest to promote. Offer a few free downloads to build your email list. Upsell more premium versions later. $500 to $2,000 or more per month, depending on how well you market. You don't even need to show your face anymore to make money on YouTube or TikTok. AI can help you. Write scripts using tools like ChatGPT or Claude. Generate voiceovers with platforms such as 11 Labs, Lovo, or Playdate. Create animations or video clips with Runway, Pictory, or Synthesia. And make thumbnails using Canva AI or Midjourney. Did you know? Facts with AI-generated narration, motivational videos, AI-generated horror stories, tech explainers, for example, how AI will replace 5 jobs in 5 years. You can monetize with YouTube ad revenue once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Use affiliate links in the description, sponsored shoutouts, or paid product reviews. Post 1 to 2 videos per day using AI tools to streamline everything. Recycle the same content for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Use trending hashtags and viral sounds to grow fast. $1,000 to $10,000 or more per month with consistent effort and smart monetization. You don't need to be an AI expert to sell AI services. You just need to know what tools to use and how to talk to clients. Offer AI chatbot setup for local businesses using ChatGPT or custom GPTs. Build simple AI copywriting packages for e-commerce brands. Sell AI-powered resumes using ChatGPT and design with Canva. You become the middle person. Charge $200 or more for a service that takes you 30 minutes to deliver with AI. Target small business owners who don't understand AI yet. Offer free audits or demos. Bundle services to increase perceived value. $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on how you package and sell. Thanks to platforms like Glide, Bubble, and Zapier, you can build AI-powered mini tools or apps without coding. An AI-powered blog title generator, a niche chatbot, like for legal, wellness, or career advice, an AI tool for summarizing YouTube videos, and a TikTok script generator for influencers. Offer a free version with a paid upgrade. You can sell lifetime access on Gumroad, or charge a monthly subscription on Stripe. $1,000 to $20,000 or more, depending on how viral it goes. Believe it or not, small businesses are freaking out right now. They know AI is important, but have no clue where to start. If you can walk in with basic knowledge and guide them, you're already ahead of the game. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know more than they do, which isn't hard. Basic AI audits, like what tools they could be using. Automating simple tasks, for example, email responses. Automating simple tasks, for example, calendar scheduling. Helping teams adopt AI for content. Helping teams adopt AI for HR. Helping teams adopt AI for support. Pitch local businesses, dentists, salons, real estate agents, coaches. Offer a free 15-minute AI strategy call. Upsell a monthly retainer for ongoing help. $1,500 to $10,000 or more per month if you land a few clients. Okay, let's pump the brakes for a second. Can you really make money fast with AI? Absolutely. But fast doesn't mean instantly. You still have to put in the work, especially up front. You'll need to learn the tools, understand your niche, and hustle a bit to get noticed. But the difference is, AI lets you do in one day what used to take a week. That's the real magic. So if you're serious about getting started, pick just one idea from this list, focus on it for a few weeks, and build momentum. Don't try to do everything. The biggest mistake people make is bouncing from idea to idea without finishing anything. Niche down. Don't just be a copywriter, be a real estate copywriter or fitness product description specialist. Stack tools. Use multiple AI tools together to save time, like ChatGPT, Canva, and Pictory. Leverage trends. Create AI-powered content around trending topics for faster reach. Build in public. Share your journey on Twitter, LinkedIn, or TikTok. People love watching others figure things out. AI won't magically put money in your bank account, but it will massively speed up your ability to provide value, solve problems, and build income streams, if you use it wisely. It's like giving a carpenter a power drill instead of a hand drill. Same work, but way faster. So go ahead, play around with ChatGPT, generate some cool art, write that ebook, or pitch that business. The tools are here, the market is hungry, and the window is wide open. You just need to take the first step. Like this post, share it with a friend who needs to hop on the AI train. Or better yet, Pick one idea and DM me your results in 30 days. Let's get that money.